Look friends, I have planted a small plant. Isn't it nice?
But your plant is not as green and big as the plants that Chacha ji grows.
Yes, you are right, Bhaiya. Although I had loosened the soil and had also added water to it. Wonder why didn't it grow as green and big?
Sania beta, your plants need manure. Come, let me show you. See this pit. We make manure by putting animal waste, vegetable and fruit peels and dried leaves in this pit.
Can I also help in making manure? What else should I put in this pit?
Well, you need to add earthworms. They will be the ones preparing that manure.
Earthworms? Oh, so this must be the earthworm manure that I had read about in class 6. Oh wait, what is this, Chacha-ji? Earthworms manure? Organic manure to increase fertility of soil. Oh, so this earthworm manure is also called the organic manure.
Look at this, Sanya. This is another type of manure. Something is written on this pack too.
Urea fertilizer? What's that?
Urea is non-organic manure. It is manufactured in factories using chemicals.
But Bhaiya, chemicals are dangerous for health. I had read in the newspaper that the increasing chemical content in vegetable is causing many dangerous diseases these days. Then why do we use these chemicals? Why can't only organic manure be used instead?
Well, why don't you add these to the plants and see the difference for yourself?
Okay, let's sow some seeds in these 3 glasses. Let us put manure in glass 1, fertilizer in glass 2 and both manure and fertilizer in glass 3.
Let's now wait for about 12 days and then see the difference. 12 days.
Look Bhaiya, the plant that had both manure and fertilizer has grown the best, while the one with only manure has given a lower yield. Oh, now I get it. The farmers are adding fertilizers to their crops to get a better yield. But surprisingly, no one considers how harmful these chemicals are.
This is why it is better to use earthworms manure or the organic manure. Fertilizers may increase crop production, but their long-term use makes the land infertile. They make the soil acidic in nature and damage the organic substances and organisms present in the soil, while the organic manure increases the fertility. Sanya, can you guess the next stage after adding manure?
Yes, of course Bhaiya. The next stage is the one that is important for all living beings, providing water. See Bhaiya, the following methods are used to water crops, a process called irrigation. Friends, can you refer to your science textbook and help me identify the methods of irrigation? Can you name them?
Sanya, what are these farmers spraying on the crops with their mouth and nose covered? It must be something harmful.
Yes, Bhaiya. I had read somewhere that farmers spray chemicals on crops for destroying undesirable plants and insects. In fact, I had seen on television also that these chemicals can cause many life-threatening diseases like cancer. When we consume the vegetables sprayed with these chemicals, the chemicals must be entering our bodies. Excessive use of these chemicals or pesticides not only leads to absorption of these chemicals in vegetables, but also harms the people spraying it. So these must be used sparingly. I feel that physical weeding is much better as it prevents chemicals from affecting the crops. Chacha ji, once these crops mature, when will you cut them?
Well, Sania, you can see these crops being harvested during your Diwali break.
Bhaiya, I was thinking, while there is still time for these crops to be harvested, why can't we check out the tools and machines that are used for harvesting? Come on, let's go and see.
This is sickle. It is used for manual harvesting.
But Chacha ji, cutting crops with a sickle must be taking a lot of time. Machines can do the same work in much lesser time. Can you name this machine?
Sanya, we have reached the final stage of crop production. That comes after harvesting of crops.
Yes, Bhaiya. Final stage, storage, from where we began this journey. So friends, in this journey we learned importance and harmful effect of manure and fertilizer on crops. Methods of irrigation, moat, ghirni, chain pump, dhekli, rahat, sprinkler system, drip system, protection methods against weeds and damage caused due to them. Tools for harvesting, sickle, harvester, need for storing crops,